How to add borders or frames to images or videos in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Bring the video clip to the timeline and select it. Go to the video. Under the basic, click on Canvas. Click on the drop-down menu and select color. Drag it to scale down the clip. Right-click on the clip and select Create Compound Clip. The clip will now be a totally fresh clip with the border or frame. If the border does not have the same height to it, right-click on the clip and select Edit. Then click on Crop Ratio. Adjust the border as desired. Then confirm. Now to add a border picture, select the first clip and move it to the second layer. Bring the new picture to the first layer and hide the previous picture. Select a picture. Click on Canvas. Click on the drop-down menu and select Color. Give the border a color and scale down the clip. Right-click on the clip and select Create Compound Clip. Right-click on the clip again and select Edit. Then click on Crop Ratio. Adjust the frame and press OK. Unhide the previous picture and position them properly. The canvas option will be available when the clip is on the first layer. That's it. You have successfully added borders for frames to images or videos in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.